Hi, everybody. Welcome to another edition of What We're Cooking. I'm Al.
I'm Nick.
And Nick, what are we having today?
Potato hash.
That's right, a sweet potato hash. And
A leftover frittata.
That's right. So today I've got leftover zucchini, some
Mozzarella, some bacon, and some
eggs.
eggs.
Use eggs. And we're going to whip it all together. First, I start with making the sweet potato hash. I got this recipe from New York Times Cooking. And what you do is grate one or two potatoes, and then you go to work. So I shredded two potatoes. I squeezed out the moisture. By the way, I shredded the tomatoes onto a dishcloth to try to conserve my paper towels and squeezed out the moisture. And then I put in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch per potato. So I've got 4 tablespoons of cornstarch and mixed them up well. Now, what I'm doing is melting a couple of tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to create a little layer here of butter.
Well,
now we melted the butter and start spreading the shredded sweet potatoes into the pan, creating one layer.
how long is all brunch then?
Well, we have Palm Sunday Mass and then brunch. I've never made these before, have I?
No, you haven't.
You like hash browns? I don't think you've ever had hash browns.
I had hash browns at camp.
Oh, at camp. Well, these are a little different. And the sweet potatoes are, a little bit better for you. That's camp cooking. I got this recipe from the New York Times Cooking app. I've never made this before, so you'll be one of my guinea pigs. You're kind of quiet this morning.
Yeah, I am.
What's going on?
Nothing?
Huh?
Nothing?
Yeah?
Yeah?
Huh?
Huh?
Come on!
Ah!
Okay. Now, I'm going to sprinkle...
Some pepper flake, some sea salt.
That's right.
Some sea salt. Onto the...
So while the hash browns, the sweet potato hash browns are cooking, I'm going to make the eggs. Put a few eggs in there. I think about 8 or 9 eggs. And I add a little half and half and just whisk this up. I mean, you could put any liquid in, even water, but I just think this adds a little bit to it. I'll just put this in the fridge and keep it ready. And then once we're done with the hash browns, I'll put those in the oven to stay warm. There, Nick's eating a grape. I'm all nice and kind of caramelized and brown, and so I'm just going to scoop this up, put it in a bowl, keep it in the oven, nice and warm until after church. What's brunch without?
Bacon!
That's right, so we're going to put this Newski's bacon from Guido's into the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. So I've taken the bacon out. I'm going to warm that, keep that in the warmer. But here's what we do for our frittata. Thank you. Just whipped up some eggs. And now I'm going to keep this in this pan until the bottom sets. I'll add some of the ingredients and then into the oven.
Done.
Now add our ingredients. We've got some leftover zucchini. That chomping sound you hear in the back is Nick eating some of the bacon that we cooked. And speaking of bacon, I'm going to throw in some leftover bacon from before, as opposed to the fresh cooked. I'm going to put in...
Can you say that for me, Mom?
Nick,
Okay.
Okay, let's focus, pal.
Okay.
Stop worrying about Mom. And put in some leftover... Well, we're just about...
We're just about ready.
Oh, that looks fantastic.
Yeah, too bad you're not having anything.
Yeah,
I
too
am
bad?
having a little.
No, I thought you wanted the egg white.
I want a little bit.
No, you only get egg white and that's it.
I didn't know it was going to look that good.
Yeah, well, too bad. You're having
I
an
haven't
egg
made your
one.
egg whites yet. I can hold off.
Wow.
Would you like me to hold on?
No,
And
no.
then finally, a little cheddar cheese.
Frittata.
The frittata.
And now for Deborah's egg whites.
Not yet. Now,
We put it in the oven and we wait.
it's not going to take too long.
Yum.
Careful, bud. Took out the sweet potatoes, kind of laid those out. Now let's check the
Frittata. Wow, that looks great.
All puffy.
I can't wait.
A little feedback from the peanut gallery over there.
Can't wait.
So there you have it. We've got the bacon already out on the table. A few other leftover things that we had. So we've got our sweet potato hash, our leftover frittata.
Some bacon and some croissants in the dining room,
That's
and
right.
we have
You
some,
wanna-
and we have
Okay.
Haley's muffin.
You're not focusing on
Oh, sorry.
me. So instead, I'll focus on
You.
And that's
A wrap.